those intense battles of strength, and those spectacular rescue moments. Plowing at a speed 10 times faster than a regular tractor. The tractor plow joins a speed plowing competition, racing across the field at incredible pace. Mud splashes everywhere, thick smoke fills the air, and the machine keeps charging forward like it's out of control. Two legends face off head-on. The T40 and YMZ are testing their strength, both machines pulling hard as dust and smoke tear across the ground. It seems they are evenly matched. Who do you think will win? Two bulldozers working in a canal suddenly get half submerged in thick mud. Moving becomes nearly impossible, and both machines sit helplessly, waiting for rescue. Luckily, a large excavator arrives and slowly pulls each machine back to safety. Give these machines some strength, drop a 1 in the comments.
One down.
Let's watch this intense rescue by a Komatsu excavator. While leveling sand, two trucks got stuck one after another, their wheels sucked deep into the sand, unable to move. They had to rely on a crane, using its boom to pull each truck back to safety one by one. Follow for more unexpected machinery failures and dramatic rescue moments. An excavator climbs onto a semi-trailer. With its heavy weight, the truck's front lifts nearly a meter before slamming back down. Every move is a major challenge. An unexpected accident could happen at any moment. A tractor accidentally slides into a stream. Half of the machine is submerged, and the more it struggles, the deeper it sinks. It has to rely on another machine for rescue. There's no way it can get out on its own. Neither side is willing to back down. It seems there was tension before two trucks driving across rough terrain suddenly collide. Both push hard, sending dust and smoke flying everywhere. A tractor gets stuck in a vast field while working. Its wheels are swallowed by thick mud, making even the slightest movement difficult. After hours of being stuck, it's finally rescued by another tractor, pulling it out piece by piece. The tractor is successfully recovered.
No. Ale idzie. Ja. Koparka ten.
Mission accomplished. The tractors line up and head to the riverbank to wash off layers of built-up mud. They're scrubbed down continuously, and as the dirt is washed away, the machines look like they've been given a brand new coat. Despite being equipped with a powerful engine, pulling heavy logs is still a challenge. The wheel skidder works at the edge of the forest, dragging massive logs back to the collection area. Wet soil and heavy timber constantly hold it back, slowing it down. Thick black smoke fills the air. The logging tractor pushes forward, dragging 30 tons of timber behind it. Every stretch of the journey is heavy and exhausting. You can't help but wonder how much farther it still has to pull that massive load. Another log-pulling scene on the mountain by a tractor. Equipped with chain tracks wrapped around its wheels, it charges forward like a powerful beast, dragging heavy logs. Every stretch it moves tears the earth apart on both sides. I'm seriously impressed by the sheer strength of this machine. Beyond initial expectations. The soil in the orchard turns out to be far more slippery and deep than expected, and tractors entering the field get stuck one after another. The weight of the machine sinks the ground nearly 30 centimeters, leaving long trenches across the orchard. Transporting cabbages at 4 a.m., with early morning fog still covering everything. The tractor hauls 10 tons of cabbages, moving heavily as it climbs steep slopes. When it hits a high incline, the vehicle stalls, its wheels spinning in place. Charging like a beast in a machinery power challenge. The Kirovet's K700, with its massive engine, tears through rough terrain without slowing down. It conquers steep slopes and takes first place of the year. If you want to see more dramatic machinery failure moments, drop a 1 in the comments below.